Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Simuleos. Today is going to be another 100% awesome day. I don't know, I don't remember what I'm supposed to say when I start streams anymore. I definitely apologize for that. Also, I don't know what was up with that song. Every once in a while we just get a weird song and I apologize for that. Okay, so today will be the second and final day this week that we're working on Algorithm Archive updates. Just going to go through, update everything accordingly with the new language change. That's basically what today is. So it won't be the most exciting thing where we're covering new algorithms or anything like that, but it is definitely worth doing, and I'm pretty excited about it. So hey, Happy Little Rat, Gustron, JSPP, Buttercake, thank you so much for coming in. Let's talk crap about Gathros in here. You can't log into Twitch. Yeah, I read about that last night before going to bed. I suggested he creates a new name called The Real Gathros or The Imaginary Gathros, but we'll see. Gustron. Every now and then we'll hear a weird dong. Wait, what? What's the dong for? Oh, is it because of the music? I don't want to know more. Gathros still can view the stream. Of course he can. But he can't chat, so that's the thing. You can just say whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Okay, what was I going to say? Oh, yeah. So because we're just going to be going through the Algorithm Archive today, it's going to be another one of those kind of relaxed days where we just chat and have fun. So tomorrow, we'll be going through something new. Now, the thing is, I just put a poll up on Twitter about what the next algorithm will be. In fact, I haven't checked that poll. Maybe I should real quick. So guys, if you don't mind, Twitter.com. Let's see what we got. James Schloss, that's my name. And looks like we only have 7 votes. It's like a tie between convolutions and Euler methods. Maybe I should put it on the Discord instead, because quite frankly, the Discord's a little bit more active than my Twitter. Well, think about that. So let me know what you guys want. I put up 3 options: convolutions, Gaussian eliminations, or Euler methods. And yeah, that's the thing. Della Solded, where are you? I am currently in my closet room for streaming. Let's not read Discord. I will not read Discord during streams, so if he's saying something, I definitely apologize. Okay. So for the next one, if convolutions are chosen, that's fine, because convolutions are easy to do. The video is already pretty much done. If Gaussian elimination is chosen, I've already written a chapter. I just need to revise it for the algorithm archive. Euler methods are the same way. So, sorry for the yawn. I don't know how to visualize Gaussian elimination. I might just need to just do the math, right? So that's okay. For Euler methods, let me think. Again, we'll have to do something similar to what we did with Verlet integration, so there isn't really much to do there. Basically what I'm saying is probably tomorrow, rather than going through any of these 3 things, unless we have to do visualization for Euler methods, we will probably instead go into something new, and I kind of wanted to go into number theoretic transforms because they're necessary for an algorithm I really want to cover in the near future. So I thought that'd be kind of fun. The problem is I didn't want to go directly into number theoretic transforms because here's the algorithm I want to go into. It's called the, now forgive me if I'm mispronouncing this, but Schoenhage-Strassen algorithm? Yes, this one. And the reason I want to do it is because it's the silliest thing I've ever seen in my life. When I read about it, I just remember laughing about it for like 10 minutes. I mean, look at this. So you go to multiplication algorithm, right? And you're like, surely there's some cool way to multiply two numbers. So you're like, okay, multiplication algorithm, great. You scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down, you know, and you're like, okay, well, this is kind of neat, this is kind of neat. Then you get here, and it's like fast multiplication algorithms for large inputs. You're like, wow, okay, complex multiplication algorithm. Of course there's one for that. Karatsubo multiplication. You're like, oh, okay, that seems great. Toom-Cook. You're like, okay. And then you're like, Fourier transform methods. And at this point I had to pause. And I had to think to myself, why on earth would you ever use a very complicated Fourier transform to do integer multiplication? I was sitting here like, why? This seems like it's completely useless. Like, under what situation would you need to do a Fourier transform in order to do integer multiplication? I was wrong about that, completely wrong. Turns out this algorithm is still used today in most mathematics libraries for most languages. It's not slow at all. It's actually incredibly quick, which is why every single time, you know, I think about people who've like, I don't know, Strassen, this guy, Volker Strassen. He just knows what he's doing. I don't know why, but he knows what he's doing. Him, and he's also the same guy who did the matrix multiplication algorithm to make that one faster. This guy's just like the bomb. I mean, look at this guy. Look at that face. I mean, he's definitely quite serious. James, don't get out of the closet. He actually goes into the closet. That is true, and then streams out of it. Yeah, new form of never getting out of the closet. When there's a will, there's a way. Yeah, I mean, it is true. I call it a closet, but it is kind of larger than any other closet I've ever seen. So, you know, it's more of a side room. I don't know what it's actually called. But anyway, I've called it a closet up to now. I'm going to continue calling it a closet. Okay, let me get some water, and then we can go ahead and get started with the updates. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. So, another thing I noticed, since, you know, you guys are here and I figure we should talk about things, why not? First of all, I'm very happy with how the algorithm archive is coming. I finally have grep. Wait, what? Wait. I finally have grep.sys devices system CPU vulnerabilities. Wait, I'm not sure I follow this one, Gustron. Only Spectre 1 is vulnerable. Ah, okay. But I thought you're using Arch, right? Or am I incorrect? I thought Arch fixed that pretty quickly. Now I could be wrong, but okay. Now, what was I gonna say? Oh, this is what I was gonna say. Okay, I just recently put out the algorithm archive video, and I'll be honest, I know it was gonna be my least viewed video I've made in a while, but it was very, very. Okay, here's the problem. I can't show you my statistics, but the number of people who watch my videos from my subscriber base is like 1%. 99% of my views comes from people, or 99% of my views come from people who have not subscribed to my content on YouTube. So I thought to myself, okay, how do I fix that? The only way to fix that is to more consistently put out videos, to collaborate and stuff like that. So I'm like, you know what? I gotta do it. I know I've been having trouble with it, but I'm just gonna have to push myself to put a video out as frequently as possible. Ideally every week. I don't think that's possible, but if I could, that would be the best course of action. Because that way my viewership goes from 99% people who haven't seen my stuff to to maybe 90%. You know, like I want basically this update video was for my subscribers and stuff like that, right? But my subscribers didn't watch it, so it means that YouTube isn't really picking it up, which makes sense. I don't know if you guys are aware of this or not, but I mean, YouTube will only pick up on like just because a new subscribed person puts up a new video, or a new person that you're subscribed to puts up a new video, does not necessarily mean it's going to go into your feed. Because of the way that YouTube works, it has some sort of weird learning algorithm underneath to see what you like and what you don't like. Let's see, it was only Spectre 1 is vulnerable, yay. It's for checking what Spectre 1 2 Meltdown. I see that you too speak fluently. Fluent SED. There's quite a large amount of people who don't have a YouTube account, lived without one for a few years as well. Yeah, I know. A lot of people who watch my stuff have told me that they don't have a YouTube account, so they just haven't subscribed, which is totally okay. I don't mind. In fact, one of my friends said he finds my he finds my stuff via RSS feed, which I never thought I would hear, but that's what he does. Yep, Flood from Nowhere. I'm genuinely trying now to stream again every day, because I don't know, I'm just happier on days when I stream. You know, it's one of those things you do at the start of your day. It gets your day going right, and you know, hey, some days the streaming is quite hard, but as long as we're focusing on the algorithm archive, then this means we don't have any of these super large projects that, you know, take months, which were what kind of wore me down last time, you know, because the OpenGL stuff, the FDTD stuff, the big projects were the ones that got me. Flood from Nowhere, Speckled Lemon, thanks so much for coming in. Didn't know you have a YouTube channel. Here is my YouTube channel. YouTube. My YouTube channel is more popular than my Twitch channel by almost an order of magnitude. However, again, none of my subscribe base actually watches my my YouTube channel. So it's one of those things that I genuinely feel that my community on Twitch is much better than my community on YouTube, because I actually speak to you guys, you know? A lot of people. So there were actually a lot of people that used to find me via Twitch. It used to be, before the creative change, that I would be getting 5 to 10 new followers a day. Then the creative change happened and that dropped to 0. So I say YouTube. Oh. Okay, so let's actually get something done. So today, again, is going to be kind of a relaxed day. Kind of like yesterday, so more talky, less ticky-tacky. As in, I don't know what I was trying to say there, but I'm going to be doing stuff, but it's not going to be inherently interesting stuff that I'm doing. It's just kind of stuff to get the algorithm archive back up to pretty high quality, so that's what I'm going to be doing. That's reasonable. Actually, I've been wondering about this. So, a few years ago, when I started Twitch, or when I started streaming Twitch, which admittedly was a few years ago, the reason I started was basically I got a new computer, right? That was step one, get a new computer. The new computer was so that I could make new simulations and stuff for YouTube. Now, at the time, I didn't know how to do that, so fine, fair enough. I was just learning how to do it. And I immediately found that there was a, what was it? There was a programming community on Twitch. And like the next day, I just started programming on Twitch. You know, there wasn't even a question. It was like, yep, I'm doing that. Because for some reason, when I saw people programming, that was like the coolest thing I'd ever seen in my life. Just people live coding. I don't know why, but I loved it. It was so cool. And I was like, man, that right there, if I could somehow work that into like my daily life, that is perfect. So, I don't know. I mean, I've said this before, but of the content I create that is video content, I much prefer Twitch to YouTube. Granted, I really like the algorithm archive too, so like it's kind of algorithm archive, then Twitch, then YouTube. But overall, seriously like Twitch, and I think if I could drop any of the three, I would probably drop YouTube, not Twitch. Let's see, what am I going to say? Speckled Lemon, I'm already subscribed. I think I have a backlog, not much time recently. Speckled Lemon, if I'm being totally and completely honest, you don't have that much of a backlog. It takes me forever to put out videos, which is what I'm trying to fix in 2018. I'm slowly getting there. I've already put out 2 videos this month, right? So next month I'm going to try to put out 3 videos, and the month after that I'm going to try to put out 4 videos, and if you're following the trend, the month after that I'm going to be miserably depressed and I'm probably not going to put anything out. Okay, so let's CD into projects, algorithm archive. The project, algorithm archive. Alright, now we get some water. I didn't include the links. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's okay. I mean, I have a bazillion subscriptions and corresponding number of notifications. Oh yeah, fair enough. Oh yeah, JSPP is doing so much. I am so happy. I mean, that's why I specifically mentioned his name in the last video. It's crazy how much the archive has changed just because of this one thing. Like, it looks good. It looks professional. I mean, I don't know. I'm a big fan. I'm such a big fan of the algorithm archive right now. I mean, I know it's still small. I know it's small, but we're getting there. Like, it looks... Adam is still sick. I'm sorry about that, man. I hope they get better, you know? But that's okay. Sometimes you get sick, you know? I haven't been sick in ages, though. But, you know. I'm so sorry. Anyway, I really hope they get better. Being sick is... I mean, it's not the worst, but it's pretty bad. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to go ahead and go into the tree traversal chapter. And do quick git book serve. Over here. I probably know Adam, but I don't know which Adam. I'm sorry about that. It's been a while and I don't remember which one we're talking about. If you guys haven't seen Spectre 2 Code Gen Fix, it's actually really interesting. Let me take a look at this. Oh, wrong one. I just don't know which Adam, because I know a lot of Adams and I'm not sure which Adam we're referring to. Oh, that Adam. Of course that Adam. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, he's a good guy. Sorry, I wasn't sure. For some reason, I thought you meant an Adam I knew in real life, but no, I know Adam. Yeah. So that's good. I mean, well, it's good. It's not good. It's not good at all. I don't know why I said that, but PVC copy. Wait, what does that do? Yeah, I'm pretty much always hosting Adam because it's auto-hosted, right? So he's always there. But yeah, he's a good guy. I enjoyed his streams. I enjoy streams when they're on. Although, truth be told, I haven't been watching them too much recently because I just haven't been watching anything recently. Okay, what are we going to do then? I'm going to return bar call. I can't read this. I'm sorry, Gaston. Okay, what do we have here? New terminal command. Copies current path to clipboard. Oh yeah, fair enough. So what PB copy? Oh yeah, that puts it on the clipboard. Okay, let me put up a second terminal over here. Make it a little bigger. And there. CD projects, algorithm archive, ls. So let's go ahead and work on the tree traversal chapter. There we go. So CD chapters, fundamental algorithms, and tree traversal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is over here, CD projects. 1 second. Wait, where am I? I'm already in project chapters. Fundamental algorithms and tree traversal. I'm going to go over here and go into tree traversal.md. And what I need to do is basically update all of the languages with the corresponding code blocks that we need for each individual code snippet in the text itself. So by that I mean we have, oh, I should probably open up the this guy. That one. Okay. So let's go to tree traversal over here. Where are we? There we are. And I need to just update all these code blocks because right now, for everything except for C++ and C#, it's just a pseudocode. But that's not true. We actually have the code for C, JavaScript, Python 2, Python 3. I just haven't updated it with it yet. So I need to do that. Okay, so let's go first into CD code. And what chapters do we need to go into? I guess the first one would be C. VI tree example.c. I apologize. I apologize for the naming of this one. Use alias XC clip. Never heard of PB copy. Maybe it's a Mac thing, probably. I also just do CMD strg plus v then. Wait, command. Oh, command is a button on a Mac, so command V. Yeah, fair enough. But creating alias is a good idea. Alias. Okay, by the way, I don't know how to pronounce alias. Is it alias or alias? Probably alias. It's control in English. No, Macs actually have a command button. I'm like 90% sure they do. At least, yeah, I think so. Oh, never mind, I was incorrect. Okay, so let's get this done. So the first code block is 1 through 4 over here. So what we're going to need for the C is we're going to need set number. Great. 6 through 10. 6 through 10. All right. Moving right along. Void push, stack pop, Q pop. Fair enough. What do we have here? Q. Oh, that was not what I meant to do. There we go. Okay, so we have Q pop down here. Create tree, depth first search. So this guy should be okay then. But the language should be CCPP. Great, okay. So now for the next code block. What is this one? This is a simple depth first search, recursive I think. So we're gonna do set number. And this is gonna be 81. I think it was Gathros who made this one. Whoever it was put in a lot of work. This one was not easy. Some of these weren't easy to do this in. So it's gonna be 81 through 92. Ah, shoot. 81, 92. There we go. So the next one, depth for ordering, is gonna be this one, and it's going to be, okay. So we need post and pre-order, but that's okay. I don't think post and pre-orders were implemented yet, so let me just go ahead and check this out. So tree traversal, recursive post order, in order, for a binary tree. Then we have stack. So let's go down here. So this looks like this would be 4. Dagnabbit, I did it again. All the time. Wait, why is there a Reddit thing just randomly posted? Okay. Oh, I must have just been on Reddit. It must have been in my... Okay, fine, fair enough. Post ordering. I'm so sorry. Okay. What do we see? In code, it looks like this. Push the root to the stack. Okay, so in this case, let me see. So I guess what I'm going to have to do is put the stack in along with. So we're going to need two importing commands here. So yank paste, because we also have to put the stack in. So what we want is down here, 94 through 113. One of these days I'm going to have a second screen so that I can have the chat up in Discord while also here. We're going to change this to CCPP. And we're going to do the same thing right here. Actually, yeah, it's probably okay. So let's go up and look for stack. Where are we? Stack pop, great, but I want node points, node points. Okay, so maybe we need 3. Or I can just get my tablet and I can just have it on the side and have Discord up. How about I just do that? I hadn't thought about that. I do have a tablet, so why not? 1 second. Where are we? Discord. Do I have Discord on this? Pretty sure I do. 1 second, guys. No. Wait. How do I find applications, apps? There we go. There it is. Great. Okay. So I'll put this on the side over here. We should be able to just go to Simuleos there. Okay, great. So now it's up on the side. There we go. And let me think. I'm missing like everything. It was me, and he can't hear me. Nope, I can't hear you. Great. So I'm now in the Discord chat on the side here. In fact, maybe I should just always put the Twitch chat on the side. But I kind of like having the Twitch chat on screen so that when people look back through the video, they can see it very easily. But hey, you know, nowadays you can see it anyway. I'm kind of 50-50 on it. Okay, so what do we do here? We're going to want to put stack pop in here. So this is going to be 37 through 48. So right here, let's see, R37 through 48. And then the last one we need is the node points. So let's go ahead and do yank paste. And we're going to do 18 through 20. And that should be okay. Let me go ahead and write this and see what it looks like. I already have a pretty good tablet. I mean, I use it for pretty much everything. For the most part, the tablet I use is great because it's one of those tablets with the S Pen or whatever, so that if I need to, I can very easily just write on papers and stuff like that I'm reading. So let me go to C. That's C. That I know the problem. Oh, but this one worked. Oh, 2 of them worked. No. Oh, I know the problem. I know the problem exactly. These guys need to change the file. C. And C. Okay, now we have to pop up to the top when we made the first change and change those also to C. So where are we? We are here. Oh, it's gonna take forever, guys. But that's okay. We've got time. There's no rush. See, write that. Great. Make sure it looks good. I watch VODs in MPV and use chat through IRSSI. I don't have a chat replay. Oh. That's just kidding, man. I'm so poor someday I don't even eat. Oh man, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that was an issue. Well, I hope that whatever the problem is, or whatever's going on, that it's only temporary and that you can find a way to, you know, get back on top or whatever. But yeah, I definitely hope that you can find a way to, I don't know, get a better job or something. I don't know. I don't know what to say in that situation, but good luck, I guess. C++, C. C++, C. C++, C. Dang it. You found the solution to fix headings? Great. I will pull it in just a second. So let's do tree example, because I think that's what it actually is. Let me go down here to, 1 second. It's probably this one. Yeah, that's it. Fantastic. Example. 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 Now let's try that one. Okay. Well, seriously though. Let's see. Type def struct node. That seems good. What? Why is this one not displaying? That one looks okay. Those three aren't displaying? The heck? What happened? How did I screw this up so badly? CCPP. I put these on the wrong... Alright, let's 8x. 8x. Then we're just gonna go over here and we're just gonna type in, you know, P. P again. P again. Write that. Now let's see what's happening with that second box. So let's scroll down here. And it looks like for C, we should still be having the pseudocode. Oh, that's because I put the wrong... Do we have this one? Dagnabbit, now I have to think. Yes, we do have this one. So I have to change this one to CCPP, CC... Yep, you know what I need to do. I don't need to say it, because you guys already know, because I'm so good at this. There we go. Let's try that. That should do it. You don't have to say anything. Thanks for the good wishes. Can't you use DW and VI to remove until the end of the word? Yeah, I definitely can. I just always forget these types of things. DW. Yep, totally works. Okay, so this one should then be good to go. So let me just let it refresh. And most of the text boxes that we've updated so far should be updated. And they're not. Great. CT. C. What does C do? Copy? 1 second. This guy's not there. I don't know why that guy's not there. These are pseudocode. That's fine. That's what it is. So let me see. What is the issue with this second one? I mean, I'm pretty sure I got the right lines. Tree example. It's in the wrong tree again. For Pete's sake, what am I doing? Okay, there we go. Done. Great. Oh, CW changes words. I didn't know that one. That's a good one to know. Yep. Puts you in insert mode. Okay, so now let's pop down and let's do the last one, which should be the breadth first search. And for this one, I don't think I need to. Yeah, Q breadth first search. I'm pretty sure. Yep, Q. Create tree. Depth first search recursive. Depth first search stack. And there should be a breadth first search Q right there. Okay, so let's pop down here and let's actually get everything right this time. See? Change this to CCCP. And change this to the appropriate lines. So it's going to be 115 to 135. And that should be good. Okay, I'm also going to remove this point of discussion because this point of discussion is no longer relevant. Write that, and now we should have the C done. Line numbers? No, I specifically set the numbers, so set no number. You can do CIW or to change the current word, regardless of the current position. Okay. So what are we going to do next? So I think C should be basically done for what we have the code for. We are missing. Let's see. So yep, C. This one's still pseudocode because we don't have the post order or the pre-order implemented in C. But I might restructure this chapter, as we mentioned before on Discord, to better facilitate discussion between, or the difference between binary trees and non-binary trees. What are those called? Anyway, so I might want to mention that in the future. So this chapter might be restructured, so it might be okay to leave it for now until we change it. Okay, so now let's do JavaScript, which I think Buttercake submitted, if I'm not mistaken. Oh man, I hope we don't run into a Java one, because I totally screwed up on Java. So let's go into tree example.js. Okay, so similarly to what we did with the other guy, with the other chapter, I think I'm going to remove the HTML tags around. Now forgive me if this is incorrect. And let's see, there should be function, create root, depth for search. Okay, so I think, oh, sorry. I'm looking for any time that we, yeah, maybe you didn't write it. I'm not sure. And then do I remove all the BRs? I'm trying to remember what we did last time. I think we had to remove the BRs in here. Yeah, maybe that's what we need to do. But I think everything else should be okay. Oh, document.write needs to be changed to something. Ah, shoot, what does it need to be changed to? Let me do VI. Where was it? It's going to still be in fundamental algorithms, but I think it's going to be in Euclid. Code, JavaScript. Yep, and then, yes, that's what I want. And it's, oh, I still have document.write in this one. Console.log, thank you. Console.log. Why don't I just replace them all? One second. Yeah, okay, that looks pretty good. Hopefully that worked. I mean, it's a short code, right? Like, what could the changes possibly mean? You made the JS code. Thanks to Gathros. By the way, yep. So let's pop down here. I'm gonna have to make this any change with Euclidean algorithm stuff, but hey, we'll get there when we get there. So now let's go back into tree traversal.md, and let's do it. JavaScript. By the way, I hope you don't mind that we're making these slight changes. Gathros, I apologize for that. Okay, so JavaScript's in here. Language should be HTML. HTML. Code JavaScript. Tree.js. Tree dot. I think it's tree underscore example. .js. So, as a side note, I know that this maybe is not the most interesting. Oh wait. Create tree, depth for search, breadth for search, queue. 1 second, let me see if there's anything up here. Okay, so we don't have a, I might just need to, here. I might need to leave that one, but the breadth for search, queue, recursive, that's the one I need. Okay, let's move down to the next one. So we'll have depth for search recursive and do set number. Look at what's up with the indentation. Yeah, fair enough. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I'm gonna pop in here, change this to what we need it to be changed to. So this is gonna be depth for search recursive, so it's gonna be 15 to 23. And then we have to change this to HTML. And change this to JavaScript. To match the Julia code. I don't think the, so if you were doing it to match the C++ code or whatever I was writing, I'm pretty sure I was fairly consistent with my indenting. I usually am, but that's okay. Tree example.js. So if you guys don't mind, or if you don't mind, then I can just erase a few lines here. So if I just do here, there, 1 second. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so this should work for that one then, I think. HTML, yep, that looks good. And what I think I'm going to do, no, it doesn't look good because I misspelled example. It was wigsample. Okay, so I'm going to yank this line. I'm just going to bring it down here. So what's the next one? The next one is going to be pre and post. Followed by, what do we have here? CPP, Julia, this guy. Paste there. DD there, and now we have to do the stack, I believe. Number. So it's going to be 25 through 40. R25 through 40. And then the last one's going to be Q, so again, I'm just going to yank this, pop it down here. And this should be breadth first search Q. It is indeed. So let's go ahead and paste it there and change this to the appropriate line. So it should be, what's the next one? 42 through 57. And this, when we write it, should in principle work for JavaScript. Shoot. Alright, one of these days. Console.log. It doesn't look like I wrote it. I never used object. Okay. Let's see, what do we have? It doesn't really matter. I mean, as long as you guys are okay with me changing the spacing. Tree example.js. Right? That looks like it's correct. JavaScript. Right quit. PWD. Code JavaScript. HTML 42 JavaScript.js. ls. Tree example.js. That looks right. But it's not importing. Oh, it is importing. Here it is. Right here. But it seems that the color coding is not working right. 1 second. Oh yeah, the color coding looks way off. Let me think. I don't know, I didn't write the code. Sorry about that. Buttercake says, sorry, that was my first JavaScript code. So, fair enough. If anybody wants to refactor anything, that's fine. Now, my question is, why is the color coding crap? So let's see, JavaScript, color coding, markdown. Maybe there's a way to fix this. Highlight.js. Let me think. I just wanted to know what you call it. Wait 1 second, I have to figure this one out. Can I do language equals JavaScript? Let me see if that's the thing. Maybe it has to be JS, I'm not sure. Does that work? 1 second. Oh, it looks like it does work. Okay, so if we do JavaScript, it should be color-coded then. So let's pop down here and make sure. Yes, that's, no, that's not what I want. Example code. No, wait, is it? No, that's breadth first search Q. Wait a minute. Depth first search stack. Wait, let me take a look at this. Tree example. Function breadth first search Q. I might send Rust and Go versions and refactor some of the JavaScript ones. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, so it looks like, unless I did this incorrectly, it looks like this is fine. So let me just look for all the HTML tags. And I need to change this to JavaScript. Next. Next. There we go. Write that and it should be okay. Hey, Gavelbart. Man, it's been, I feel like it's been ages. How have you been, man? I hope you've been alright. Good. So now I need to go back and change the previous JavaScript one, which I think was in... Where was the previous JavaScript one? There's actually a few things I need to do. So let me go ahead and just do that now while I'm thinking about it. cd dot dot cd Euclidean algorithm, cd code, and then I want to do JavaScript ls, and let's go into vi Euclidean example.js, and let's go ahead and modify this. Highlight JS CSS classes referencing languages and themes and aliases. Open link. Yeah, it's butter cake. You're implementing some graph algorithms? For me, not kind of. Oh wait, what are we talking about? Yes, that's what I want. Language names and aliases. JavaScript. We'll get there eventually, is what I'm saying. That's okay, it's not a big deal. I definitely appreciate it. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the tags around here. And these need to be changed to, yeah, these need to be changed to console.log. So let me do that very quick. So it's going to be colon, or whatever this is, s, document, let's see, dot write for console dot log, and yes, remove the BRs down here, DT here, there. So I have a lot of algorithms in the archive that I have not yet done anything about. Like, they're there, and they're there for the future, you know. So it's like, hey, coming soon. These are coming soon algorithms type of things. So I don't know. I left them in there because I think it's kind of neat to show that the project's still growing, you know. So I had a big internet outage for a few days and didn't remember starting it up again. Oh yeah, well that's kind of a pain that you had an internet outage at all. I hate internet outages. So let's go into vi. That was not what I meant to do. 1 second. Vi Euclidean.md, and let's look for HTML. There we go. Changes to JavaScript. Write that and git add dot cd dot dot to, what was the last one we worked on? Verlet, probably. It's probably in computational. Come on. Physics. And then Verlet. There we go. Vi Verlet.md. Look for HTML. Not what I meant to do. One of these days. JavaScript. Git add Verlet.md. Now let's get back to where we were before. Fundamental algorithms. And then we want to go into, where was I? Tree traversal, I believe? There we go. Great. It's referenced on the Science Theme API, so the aliases should kind of work. Yeah, I think what we have right now should be okay. So let's take a look at what we have. So I need to go to, where are we? I need to better organize this. It's kind of hit and miss right now. So I want to do JavaScript, correct. JavaScript looks like it's correctly highlighted. What was the other one I just did? It was Euclidean algorithm, which would be in fundamental algorithms, Euclidean algorithm. JavaScript looks, it looks good to me. Yep, that looks good. You're German? It's kind of, wait, how did you read that he was German from the chat? Oh, maybe it wasn't from the chat. Maybe it was from something else. Okay, so now let's get back to tree traversal and finish up what we're working on right now. Here we are there. So hopefully we'll get tree traversal done pretty soon. We have Python 2, Python 3 left to do. So let's go ahead and do it. All right. What are we going to do? Write and quit. cd dot python 2 ls tree example.py. Okay. So let's do it. Let's go into vi tree traversal. Great. And let's just jump right into it. Language here is going to be Python. Class node will be 1 through 5, which is correct over here. Then we change this to Python 2. And tree example.py. Yep, that looks like it's correct. So we're just going to put this down here for depth first search recursive. Here it is there. I think this is correct. Paste. DD, and the lines we want are 8 through 16. Okay, let's see what else we have. I'm going to go ahead and grab this, and the next one's going to be depth first search stack. Which will be, this is pre-order, this is post-order, and then we have down here should be depth first search stack. Yes, that looks correct. Paste that there. And the line number is going to be 25 through 36. 25 through 36. Yank that, and the last one's going to be depth first search Q. And we're just going to put that down here. Paste. DD, and this line's going to be 38 through 49. What am I doing? 38 through 49. Great. I could have guessed it from that. Wait. JSPP. Could have guessed it from that now that you mention it. But not. It was because you Germans like to make long compound nouns from other nouns. Oh, and when Germans write English, they tend to do the same. I have a German friend who does the same thing. Yeah, fair enough. He writes like a train station. Okay, so now we have to do the same for Python 3. But first, let me make sure that this one is working. So let's pop over here. Did I write it? Let's write it. Go over to Python 2. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, wait, chotomate. Okay. That is still pseudocode code. Depth first search stack. Was I supposed to return something on that one? No, it looks like you just end stack append child. And good to go. Okay, color hide, syntax highlighting, everything's pretty good. So now for the last one, which is Python 3. Yank. Let's go up to the top. And then I think we're good to go for now. So let's go ahead and yank. Oh, sorry. Yank here. And paste down here because it's going to be easier. And I think overall they're pretty similar, Python 2 and Python 3. But let's take a look just to check. CD Python 3 vi tree example.py, and it looks like what do we have here? Class node. So we're gonna do. They actually look quite different now that I look at it. 5 to 10. We're gonna yank this, and we're gonna pop it up to depth first search. 1 second. Main. Okay, so it looks like this depth first search is with a stack. So let's just go up here. Python 3 tree example.py. Let's go ahead and yank this. Pop down here. And post. Yes, this is the one I want. Python 3. Paste. DD. Tree example.py. And I want to do 31 through 45. And then the last one I want to do is for breadth first search. So it's going to be, where are we? Here we are there, paste, DD, and this should be 48 through 62. Write that, and this should be right. So let's take a look at it when it refreshes. Train station is not really a direct translation from German. Well, Bahnhof translation. Hof equals station. That's why. Wait, that's why the pretty. What? What does Hof mean? Courtyard. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Python 3 class node. Why did I scroll upwards? These are all pseudocode for now. Depth first search. Yep, looks good. Breadth first search. Python 3. Okay, looks good. So again, we're missing some stuff still, but that's perfectly okay. I'm gonna take a quick sip of water. And then we'll look to see what else we need to do. By the way, guys, thanks so much for coming in. I definitely appreciate it. I mean, I know I've mentioned this before, but Um, I genuinely enjoy all the conversations I have with you guys. I think it's super fun. Okay, so let's see, what do we have left over here? We have actually a lot of stuff left. Euclidean algorithm we've already done. Let me just talk for a minute. So, if you go to YouTube, YouTube, LeosOS, that's what I want. It's gonna play a video. I know it's gonna play a video. Quit playing that video. Okay, if we do videos, oh, you're gonna see a lot of videos on here that, how about I go to, am I allowed to show you this? I don't know what I'm allowed to show you and what I'm not allowed to show you. So how about we just go, how about I go on a browser that I never use, so that I know I'm not logged in. So we're gonna do, ooh, okay, that's probably not great. Let's just go to youtube.com. It's probably okay. And let me do LEIOS. By the way, if you type LEIOS, you won't find my channel. You have to find LEIOS OS, which is fine, I guess. And then 169 views isn't correct. It's more got 300 or something. But anyway, LeosOS. I have 20 videos and 10,000 subscribers, which by the way is really weird. But this is what I wanted to point out. Since I put out the algorithm archive video here, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry about that. Basically a video a month. However, it hasn't been spread out throughout the months evenly, right? Because we did Verlet, tree traversal, and Euclidean algorithm like right after each other. And then there was like a month or two, and then we did Fourier transforms. Then there was like a month or two, then we did BitLogic, and BitLogic wasn't even an algorithm. So basically what I'm saying is we really need to go through an algorithm soon, because it's the algorithm archive, and we have done no algorithms for a while. But this is something I've just been realizing lately, just how inconsistent I've been. I didn't realize it was this bad until I took a look at this. I think your contract with Google as a partner for BidSet, I don't know. That's the thing. I should have read the contract. I don't know. I didn't. I mean, I did, but it was a long time ago, like years ago. So, super fun. I don't think you're allowed to directly show us your revenue numbers. Yeah, I wouldn't be showing, oh no, my revenue would be there. Yeah, you're right, so I couldn't have clicked that. Okay, so anyway, that's my point. We really need to start doing more things, because literally 20 videos. I mean, 10,000 subscribers for 20 videos, I think that's pretty good. I mean, it's a pretty good average, but it's all because of this one video. Literally every other video has less than this one video. This video has over 1 million views. I don't know why, it's just popular, that one. I guess because everyone looks up Tesseract or something at some point in their childhood. Which kind of stinks, because that wasn't meant for like a general audience. It was meant for kind of a specific niche of people who understood, you know, like basic linear algebra and stuff like that. So I get all these comments all the time from people that are just clearly high, and they're just like, oh man, 4D is time. And it's just like, why did I make that voice? Of all voices to make, I made the voice of an old man, and an old man would not be watching that video. Probably Tesseract and not 4D. Yeah, probably. Marvel James Marvel. That was what Gathro said. Okay. However, on the other hand, I think we're getting there. So I think, as I said before, we can now just kind of start chugging through algorithms, and I'm pretty excited about that. So we'll see where we go from here. Convolutions will probably be next, since the video is already made, but it could be Euler methods or something like that. Something easy so that we can start on stream going through number theoretic transforms and stuff like that. What do you guys think? Google forbids showing how much you make on, I cannot read this for some reason. I'm very sorry. What do you guys think Google forbids showing how much you make doing YouTube? Why do you think? I don't know. I mean, for the most part, we know what like big YouTubers make, but there is this other site that I don't know if you guys are aware of. Let me just go ahead and close this, because that's the best way to exit out of a program. And we're going to do Social Blade. Clearly, I look at it for my own numbers a lot. So this channel called, or this site called Social Blade. Oh, I have 21 uploads. Huh. Okay. Anyway, this site called Social Blade basically tracks everything, right? So here's my channel. You can go to detailed statistics, and it gives you, you know, number of subscribers, total number of daily subs, right? total subscribers gained, daily views, total views, all this kind of stuff. But it also, in the main section over here, user summary, gives you kind of an estimate of how much money they're making, this is kind of about right. If you take the average between the between those two, it's about what I make. The same reason a lot of big employers forbid you to share your wage with your coworkers. I don't know if it's still like this. Yeah, but in general, everyone makes about $2, or I make about $1 for every 1,000 views. So that's about what you have on YouTube. It's not in their best interest that you know if they're giving you a worse deal. Yeah, that's totally fair. I think so. Okay, so that's me right now. Yep, that's my channel. Okay, but I wanted to point that out because I've just been so inconsistent. And seriously, if I could, I really feel like, I mean, I look at other people's statistics a lot, and I think that if I could just start getting content out regularly, just, you know, video a week, start collaborating, start playing the YouTube game, I really think that we could make the channel, like, and grow the community quite large. And that'd be really cool, I think. So that's kind of what I'm looking into doing, but we'll see how it goes. So again, if you have anyone you know that makes something computer science related or physics related or something that I can work off of, let me know, because I'm very interested in potentially collaborating with those people. I've contacted a few people. Most people have said no, but that's okay. One of these days we will we'll get some good collaborations going. What you need to do... Wait. Okay, Leos, I got what you need to do for new files you're doing if you do. It's not in their best interest that you know... Yeah, fair enough. So what was I going to say? I was going to say one more thing, which was... It's on the tip of my tongue. Come on, what was it? It's not coming out. I don't remember what it was. Oh yeah, about the collaborations. Again, if you can think of anybody that you want me to collaborate with, let me know. The truth is that, I mean, it's weird. I don't really know what my focus is. I don't really know what platform to focus on. I like Twitch a good bit, probably best. But, yeah, I mean, I'd be willing to collaborate with just about anyone, as long as we can do something computer science related, or something programming related, or something like that. Heck, I was even thinking about doing some other things recently, like, instead of just algorithm, I was thinking, hey, if I can get a regular upload schedule, maybe on some weeks I can do, like, I don't know, play some games or something like that. Not like video games, but like show like some cool terminal commands or something like that. Like, I was thinking about doing like a full guide on how to play Rogue, because I don't know, I actually don't know how to play this game. I just play it all the time and I just fail miserably. So I thought it'd be kind of fun. I don't know, something straightforward. Ooh, it's a hobgoblin. Yeah. But anyway, I was thinking about doing a whole bunch of different things just for fun, you know? Because I don't really have too much fun stuff on my channel. It's mainly just information. And there's one thing that I've just been noticing recently, and that's that literally all the other programming channels on YouTube that I can find are, I mean, they're information based, right? So it ends up being that when you're looking for, I don't know, like hobby programmers, you know, someone who's having fun programming or something like that, it's kind of hard to find, because for the most part, they're like, you know, it's not them having fun, it's them providing information, you know? And I kind of feel like maybe our channel should be slightly different. It should be, you know, us enjoying programming, and then, you know, in the process also learning. Oh, there's a bat and an emu. There we go. Okay, great. Do you still have pages? You implement multi-line code directory in? Do you still have pages? You implement multi-line code directory in? Wait, what do you mean? Do you mean... Oh, that's not what I meant. Control C. 1 second. Yes. Continue. Okay. Could you get GitHub tutorials sometime? Yeah, so I could. This is one of those things that I actually have already made, the GitHub tutorial. But at the same time, coding time lapse. Yeah, I was thinking about this too. So the Gathros just mentioned in Discord that we could do like a coding time lapse or something like that. And I don't know how interesting that would be. On the one hand, sure, it could be kind of fun. On the other hand, you guys can kind of see a coding time lapse when I'm doing the stream, right? So, I don't know. We'll see. The thing is, and again, I keep doing this, and I hate that I do this all the time, but I keep comparing myself to the animators on YouTube. So if you go to, like, you look up any of them, Jaden Animations, I guess is the first one that comes up, or The Odd Ones Out is another one. They're right here. But look at this. You know, all these people, they just, like, they're in every video. Like, they just basically win. Hey, Mr. Anderson, when, like, one person makes a video or whatever, they chotomate. When one person makes a video, they, like, just ask everyone, hey, do you want to collaborate with me? And then they just get people to pop in and say a voice. It's kind of interesting. Twitch highlights. Yeah. New book.json. Oh, did you already submit a Choto open link? Did you already submit a pull request? Because if so, yeah, that looks about right. Let me think. Let me do github.com. Because I can just put that in there, you know? So let me do, if you didn't submit a pull request. That's for, okay. So how about I just go ahead and put that in there? Is that okay? Where do we have it? Right there. That's exactly what I needed. Okay, so now I need to do, oh, don't put it in there. Oh, I see what you need. So for Python 2 and Python 3, I just called them Python 2 and Python 3 right here. So instead of Py2, it needs to be Python 2. Wait, Scratch probably shouldn't be all capitalized. But that's okay. It doesn't really matter so much. Okay, so I won't put it in yet. But yeah, all I was saying was that there's a huge collaborative structure that happens, like, between all the different animators. You know, because they all have similar content, they can all just kind of work with each other and voice different people and do all this kind of stuff. And it's actually a very, very fun atmosphere. You know what I mean? Like, it's one of those things that is very enjoyable about their videos. Also, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. 1 second. Sorry about that. So my tablet actually was low on battery, and so in order to keep Gathros up, I have to plug it in. Okay, let's see how to do this. I think I gotta work this around back here. Yep, okay. Almost. You can't see anything, but I promise this is a feat of engineering, what I'm doing right now, to get these cords into my tablet. Great, okay. 1 second. Don't care about that. Okay. For any new chapter, you can use the things from book.json. Hello, my fellow cat people. Cool cat. Hey, TT Designator. Manic Orange. Thanks for coming in. Let's see, what do we see? I thought you were speaking a different language at points in this video. For the 4D one? Yeah, that's what I found a lot of times. I was speaking math. I was speaking mathematics. That's what I was speaking. And so a lot of people, they didn't follow the video because it was meant for people who could understand math. And then it just kind of went viral, you know? So when a video like that goes viral, you're like, well, sorry? So some people come in and they're like, hey, this really helped. And then most people come in and they're like, yeah, I have no idea what you're saying. And I'm just like, hey, I'm sorry, math is a very difficult thing to understand, you know? And it's one of those things that I just have to tell people, you know? That I'm sorry, this video was meant for people who understood math. Okay, so what am I gonna do next? What I'm gonna do, oh, this video is the one with the la la laws. Pretty sure. I hate this video, or this song. This song is a weird one. Okay, anyway, I've been rambling for too long. Let's see what we need to do next. Why did I just flip through all my desktops? Okay. As far as things that we still need to do, I think we implemented everything. This song. Every time. Let's see. Actually, we might be done here. I thought it'd take a little bit longer. But here's what we have so far. Version control. We have this one up. Complexity notation. Again, this one's up. Mathematical background. Convolutions. Oh, I can no longer press left, right. Fundamental algorithms, sorting and searching. Bubble sort. Bogo sort. Yep, looks good. Tree traversal. This one we just updated. Euclidean algorithm. This one has been updated. That looks good to me. Multiplication has not been done yet. Matrix methods. Gaussian elimination. Thomas algorithm. Computational geometry. GIF wrapping. Jarvis March. Gram scan. Again, these guys have not yet been implemented yet. I guess I can go through and go ahead and add the methods in here. So I think I should probably do that. So add the methods in for pseudocode for Gram scan and Jarvis March, and what else do we have? I guess Gaussian elimination and the Thomas algorithm. Yeah, I need to really update Gaussian elimination. Maybe it's best to do this next, because quite frankly, Gaussian elimination is a little rough. A lot of bit rough. Yeah, this is quite bad. Okay, Gaussian Thomas algorithm is similarly, it's okay. Thomas algorithm's okay. This one's a little bit easier. American Horror Story. Yeah, I don't watch videos on stream, but yeah, there are definitely some good videos out there. Okay, how about this? I'm gonna give you guys a choice. Let me go into straw poll. Because there's two things we can do here. We can continue working on the algorithm archive, or I can go ahead and finish up the convolution visualization. So what's next? Keep editing, editing, finish convolution visualization, or quit. Okay, create poll. Share. URL. Control C. Control V. Ah, shoot. Of course that doesn't work. Paste. Bam, straw poll that everyone but the Gathers can vote in because I did not put it over there. Why are you sorry they clicked it? Okay, done. Should have called the last one. Oh, yeah, shoot. Can I change it? Oh, no, I can't change it. How do I change it? Ah, crap, you're right. That would have been great. Oh my gosh, Buttercake. Why? Why? Let's see if anyone voted. Okay, 50-50. Keep editing the algorithm archive. Still 50-50. We're still 50-50 here, guys. Quit. Oh, man. Guys. If I quit, I quit. I mean, that's it. I'm done. I'm never streaming again. Keep editing the algorithm archive. Finish convolution visualization. Looks like keep editing the algorithm archive is winning right now. Oh, it's a tie. It's still a tie. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? Where's the talk about cats option? Then you can do that anytime in the chat. It's totally fine. People are so mean. Okay, what do we do? Finish convolution visual. Oh, it's tied again. Oh my gosh, guys, come on. Okay, looks like finish convolution visualization is winning. And we'll do that. Okay, CD. Oh wait, I need to quit out of here. Do git add dot ls, and let me do a quick git status, because we can go ahead and commit what we have right now, and I think that's okay. It's tied again. Come on. I love how I got the headers for C# half the time wrong as well. Oh, this is the best poll, guys. Come on. Want to see something cool? Yeah, sure, I'll see something cool. What's up? So I hope this works and doesn't crash the bot. 1 second. Ooh, looks like more people are now keep editing the algorithm archive. I'll leave this up for another minute or something like that. I don't know. 1 second. Whenever Buttercake provides the cool thing that he's gonna do to crash the bot, then we'll go from there. Oh wait, I guess Gathros could have voted because he can see the chat. He just can't talk in the chat. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Anyway, 14 votes. I think it crashed. I think it's okay. Straw poll, fake poll. Don't click option A, option B, option C. Was that supposed to? That's perfectly okay, man. That's great. I tried, but something didn't happen during the execution of that command. Your command execution thing is a semicolon? Okay, great. So, we're going to keep editing the algorithm archive then, because that's what everyone seems to want. Well, not everybody. It seems 50-50. But we have some stuff we need to do anyway, so let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go through, and basically for all of the chapters, starting with gift wrapping and then kind of moving our way around, but for all the chapters that people still haven't implemented code, we're still going to put the method box around and go ahead and create the structure so people can submit code to those chapters. So let's go ahead and do that. I think we have updated everything accordingly. Let me check. So Euclidean algorithm has been updated, Verlet has been updated, treetraversal.javascript has been updated. Dang it, I created a new file for the rogue thing. How do I remove that? We did git add. Should I just do remove? How about git remove? Dang it. Git remove rogue.scr. The following file has changed stage. Remove rogue dot git add rogue git status. Come on. Why am I so bad at this? Git status. Okay. There we go. So this should be up. So this is all the changes we've made so far. So let's go ahead and keep working on it. LOL, no. How do I move commits to another branch? There's a collision in the bot. I want to avoid collision, so I changed it to... Oh, I see. Okay, wait for PI. Wait, IPR first. Okay, that's fine. So let's go ahead and make the changes to the other directories. So cd dot 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 dot, cd dot dot, cd dot dot, cd computational mathematics. And I think it's under gift wrapping? Wait, what did I put it under? Oh, probably computational geometry. And then gift wrapping. Okay, so yeah, we got some stuff to do here, definitely. So let's go ahead and do cd. Dang it! Went too far. I have my votes 5. Wait, what? Let me check the poll one more time. Yeah, okay, looks like we're still voting on the algorithm archive. Jack of Sporks, man, I've seen you around somewhere, I think. You've been here before, right? Theoretical physics, sure, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and make some directories. Make directory gift wrapping, gram scan. Make directory Chan. Make directory Jarvis March. Okay, so now let's go ahead and move everything appropriately. So we are going to go into VI summary. And let's do it. So Jarvis here, and all we need to do is add a Jarvis March slash, and down here we need to do gram scan slash, and the last thing we need is Chan's. Where's Chan's? Down here. Oh, that's not how you spell Chan. Chan slash chans.md. So let's go ahead and move the guys over here. So we're going to move gram scan to .md to gram scan here. That was VM, not MV. Okay, same thing for you. So move Jarvis March. Come on, I can do this, guys. I promise. I can type Jarvis March to Jarvis March here dot, and then we do move Chan Chans to Chan. I probably should have kept that plural, but I didn't. So there we go. Great. Theoretical physics, Monica S. Philosophy, yeah, I've been around. I also stream, so who knows? I'm pretty sure I've seen you. I've voted for edit the algorithm archive 5 times. Oh, wait, the Gathros. Did you really? Huh. Well, in that case, it's fine. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. Okay, so move Tian. There we go. So if I write this, we should update the summary, and then we should still see everything in the algorithm archive over here. So let's go over to Jarvis March. We don't have it. 1 second. Go over here to Jarvis March. Great. Still up. So now let's go ahead and update Jarvis March. So we're going to cd Jarvis March, make directory code. And we have the pseudocode, so let's cd into code. And let's go ahead and make directory sudo. And then let's go into what we need to go into. Put here, and let's cd into chapters, computational mathematics, computational geometry, and then we want to go into gift wrapping Jarvis March. And then let's go into vi Jarvis March.md and add what we need to add in. So we're going to go into vi Jarvis.pseudo. What does the dot mean when you move the file? So the dot just means move to that directory. I don't think you actually needed it in that case, but if you type in like a single dot is current directory. 2 dots is 1 directory back. So I just meant I want to move this to that directory. I wonder how it feels to have specialized esoteric knowledge. I hope to have experience in that feeling someday. I don't know. It's not... I guess I do have specialized esoteric knowledge, right? This is something. Oh yeah, this is still pseudocode. So let's go ahead and pop it here. Great, okay. And then we're just gonna change this to having the method in there. Now, for all the other pseudocode, I know I've been kind of screwing it up a bit, but I'm just gonna do it this way. So I just wanna change all the ends to, yeah. Let's just go ahead and change this to this, because I've been doing it this way anyway, so let's just screw it and just have some crappy pseudocode. That way people are more willing to edit their code if they see crappy pseudocode. Here. There. That's 4 spaces, right? There. 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 I just keep saying there for no reason. Okay. And good. There we go. Pseudocode done. So let's go ahead and add in the method. So let's see if I got this right. I always forget, so let's try it. So we're going to go in here and we're just going to say, ooh, not that. Let's try it. Method. One second. End method. Okay, I got this. Sample lang equals sudo. Okay, wait. Is this correct? Import. Ooh, I don't remember. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to look this up right quick. So let's go into vi. What do I want? I want to do fundamental algorithms, tree traversal, because we just edited this one, and tree traversal.md, and it looks like it's sample lang equals C++. I had that one correct, and then I just forgot the import command, and I was so close. Import. Whatever it is. I think it's just 1 through 25. I'm gonna guess. Great, okay. What do we have here? I guess I specialize esoteric knowledge. Isn't that thrilling? It is indeed thrilling. Sorry, this video is for people who understand math. I'm so sorry. I just add really bad white space so that they're forced to change the pseudocode. Yeah, I should. I'm really glad you're no longer getting distracted and sidetracked by chat. Oh, yeah, I totally still am. Gonna let him do the things sometimes, you know? No, so when it comes to chat, it just depends. You know, sometimes I get very distracted, sometimes I don't. Okay, so let's knock this out. So lang sudo, what do we have? Sudo. Oh, Julia is the thing I want here, because it's closest to Julia. Code sudo, and it's gonna be jarvis.sudo. So this should work. If I write and quit, we should see Jarvis March the same as it was before. And there you go. It's exactly the same as it was before, as you can see from the error. That's because I had this wrong. Gift wrapping Jarvis March code sudo jarvis.sudo. Let's see, where is it actually? ls. Oh, move Jarvis to sudo. Am I misspelling sudo all the time? I feel like I am. Make directory sudo. Shoot, which one is it? Yeah, it's EU. Remove directory. PSU. There we go. Move Jarvis to sudo dot cd sudo dot vi Jarvis. Okay. Set number. How many lines do we have here? 32. I was incorrect about the 25 argument before. Let's change this to 32. Write that. Now it should work. Should work just fine. Okay. Should look exactly as it did before. Come on. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. Looks the same. Great. That's all I wanted. Yeah, you have sudo. Thanks, Gabblebart. Fled from nowhere. I could probably fix that, but too busy working myself. Fair enough. Sudo. Yep. Thanks, guys. You guys are great. Obviously. I should really just write the code sudo instead of pseudo because that type of sudo is way easier. Tell fled from nowhere. It's because I'm not there in chat to distract. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's quit here. I'm going to quit here, and then I'm just going to do git add dot just so that we have this already updated. And then we're going to do the same thing for Chan's, for the other two, just so that we have them there. So we're going to cd into gram. There we go. cd into gram scan over here. Vi gram scan.md, and we're just going to do make directory code. cd code. Make directory pseudo. Got it right this time. cd pseudo vi gram dot pseudo. I'm really trying here, guys. I am really trying. Okay, let's pop down here. Oh, yeah, that's the figure I need to add. Great. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we got this. Put it here. And then we also need, one of these days, this here. And we're just going to change it to the really crappy pseudocode that we have. 1 second. I have to type function. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and modify this to make it so it's a really crappy pseudocode. Because who doesn't love really crappy pseudocode? Okay, type point. What do we have over here? What's your favorite option? Option A, option B, option C? Trouble changed their API. Oh, fair enough. Wait, what do we have here? I feel like I missed a website. But sudo is dangerous. It is. That website looks great. If time permits, I'd like to see how you build that page sometime. Sudo rmrf, Stropple changed their API. I tried, but something happened during the execution of that command. Give up. I'm sorry, Buttercake. One thing I want to point out, though, there were a few things that I missed in this previous update about the algorithm archive. I missed, one, how to actually work with the algorithm archive. I forgot about telling people how to use Gitbook. Basically, it's just Gitbook install, Gitbook serve, but I didn't tell people how to do that. The other thing I forgot to mention is the thing that Gathros brought up, which was the number of authors that we want in the algorithm archive. I wasn't sure how to broach this topic, and I just kind of forgot about it in the end because I wrote down like a note in my script to mention this, but I just forgot. So I didn't mention it, and now I'm afraid that someone's going to submit a chapter to the algorithm archive, and I'm going to have to be like, yo, I don't know if this is yet okay, this type of thing. So there's some discussions that we need to have. Oh, cool, it worked. Yeah, that's amazing, man. What's your favorite option? Looks like everyone likes option C. Okay, so let's go and update this. A here. ED. Let's see, it should be here. Oh, that wasn't what I meant to do at all. That was like just blanketly incorrect. Oh. There we go. And pop this down here and change this. Something like that. There we go. Crappy pseudocode written. So let's go ahead and update it here. What do I need to do? I need to go ahead and add in the... I'm gonna get it this time. I promise I'm gonna get it this time. Okay. So it's gonna be here. It's gonna be method. Let's do this. Method. And method. 1 second. So now we need to go in here and we're going to say sample lang is going to be equal to pseudo. Right? Okay. Then we go down here and we say import. And I guess it has to be the lines. So it's going to be set number 1 through 7. And then we do unindent equals true. What's the last one? Shoot, I can't remember from here. That's it. That is it. Jack of Sporks, thanks for coming in. See you around. Have a fantastic day, night, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it happens to be your time. Multiple Languages PR by Julian Shasher. That's the thing. I can't pronounce your name, and I definitely apologize. Pull request. Yep, I'll take a look at that in just a second. You don't need to know, though. Nonsensation, Fred. Oh, hey, Nonsensation. Totally missed you in between all the bots. Sorry about that. Fred, what was done with the Google API? Fled. I feel like, usually when people mix up L's and R's, like that's something you do in real life, not something you do on a keyboard. That's kind of funny. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. VI Juju. I think this is Jarvis now. Nope. Jarvis. And Jarvis. March.md. And let's go method. Sample lang equals pseudo. Oh, it's just lang. Julia. Okay. And then we just have to do the same thing over here. So it's going to be code. pseudo. Gram. Dot. pseudo. That should be correct. So let's go ahead and pop down here and remove these guys down here. Right that. Quit there. And let's go back into the gram pseudocode set number. Okay, pop down here and let's go ahead and do it this way. So let's just grab this yank for yank. Paste. And down here we're going to have to do 9 through 40. Okay, so now if we delete this guy down here, we should have all the code up and running for these two. So let's pop over here and let's take a look. Jarvis March, we have the pseudocode button. It should update in just a second. Gram scan. Give it a second. Jarvis March, 1 second. Yep, that looks good. Gram scan. There we go, pseudocode is there, although it's all caps. Is it always all caps? I feel like it wasn't always all caps. 1 second, let me see. Oh, we don't have pseudocode for any of the other ones. Yeah, fine, fair enough. Okay, what do we have here? Simulus, you still can't pronounce my name, and you haven't yet apologized to me. I'm so sorry, CVC. That's as best I can do. I can't do XZCVCX. I can't do it. I'm sorry, CVC. Alt X, I meant to clip the text. Nonsensation, that's the James bot. James is... Wait, I have to admit, I'm a bit confused. Confused about what, non-sensation? Ask your questions and I shall answer as best I can. Okay. So, now we have the gram scan. Chance, the next one would be chance algorithm, but that one's coming soon, so I don't have to do that one. So let's just go ahead and do a quick git add and update this. cd there, cd there, git add, dot, ls, oh, git status. Okay, looks like gram scan, Jarvis March, great, looks like it's all updated. On to the next one. I guess I'll stay just watching, that's fine. So right now, in case there are new people that just came in, there's a rather big update made to the algorithm archive by JSPP very recently. And this big update made it so that now we can switch between languages. It's really cool. So like, for example, if we go to, let's do FFT, we can switch between all the languages in which the FFT has been implemented. And this will change the code. So like, for example, let's scroll down here. Oh, wait. Oh, that's Scratch. But if we scroll down here, we now have Python, Haskell, C++, C, and Julia for all of those. And actually, I need to update these guys, I think. Or did I already? Oh, I did already. Wow, fantastic. But yeah, so all the code now changes based on the language that you choose. And it's so cool. Like, this is the coolest thing I have seen recently. I'm not going to say it's like the coolest thing ever, because there's probably cooler things, but I just can't think of any right now. Tell flood from nowhere. Oh yeah, okay, fine. I thought I missed something. So this is really cool. Pretty excited about it. And so now I'm just going through and updating all of the previous chapters with this this update. Granted, JSPP is also doing the same thing, so that's okay. As always, thanks for the stream. I'll be going to study now. All right, Flood from Nowhere, thanks so much for coming in. I hope you have fun studying. It should be a grand old time. Right, isn't it amazing? It's like the coolest thing ever. I don't know why. I'm just super happy about this. It's like, here's the thing. A while ago, we came up with this idea to write a book on algorithms for every algorithm we've ever covered, which is fine. We haven't covered that many algorithms, using like literally every language possible, and this is like, perfect. Oh, yeah, Mr. Anderson. So Buttercake and Bottercake are two different people, and it's really funny. I've done the same mistake before, where I thought Bottercake was talking to me when Buttercake was. I got really confused. It's really good. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. I really like pretty much everyone in this community. It's just everyone's great. I know I've mentioned this like many times before, but I mean, I'm a PhD student at OIST, right? So I've been studying for however many years, you know. But I mean, I've just learned so much from you guys. It's like, I don't know, it's weird. I can't imagine not having a group of people to talk to about cool things. No, it was me, James, pretending to be the bot. Cathros is claiming to be Bottercake. Okay, so what do we have now? Tree traversal. What should we update next? We have convolutions, but I haven't added anything to convolutions. Sorting, searching, bubble, and BOGO have already been implemented. Pseudocode. 1 second. How do you know I'm not a real person? I don't know. Oh, now I'm confused. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, Buttercake, come on. I'm going to cd into gram scan, ls, and go into vi gram scan.md, and I think, sorry, my screen just went black, so I can't see. There we go, great. And I think I need to change this to pseudocode, and I think that will change it appropriately. So let's go ahead and do that. So let me check to make sure that now, after this update, GramScan has a lowercase pseudocode. Yes, fantastic. No, that's Bogosort. Yes, fantastic. No, that's Bogosort. I did the same thing twice. Okay, what am I doing? I'm going to GramScan. Dang, it's still all caps. Wait, but now there's two. There's pseudo and pseudocode. Oh, I know why. Maybe this needs to be all lowercase? Let's try that. Chou tomate, sumimasen. Okay. Dang, it's still all caps. What did we do with the... Okay, let me just look in the other source code. I just realized I have GrandScam up already on the side here, so let me just quit out of there. VI, I don't know, projects, algorithm archive. Where was this one? This was in Bogosort, probably. Yep, Bogosort, great. So we're gonna go algorithm archive, chapters, fundamental, algorithm, sorting and searching, bogosort.md. We have to update that one too. So let's go ahead and do that too. Language equals sudo. What? So it should be sudo. Maybe it's because of the capital P. Give it just a second. 1 second. My thing fixes caps. Good, pseudocode. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix this too. And then I'll go ahead and update with the pull request. So sudo here. There. cd vi jarvis march.md and change this to a lowercase p. Like that, go over here. Great, okay. So now we will go ahead and, let's see, what should we do? I'm gonna cd into where are we? Somewhere in here, cd fundamental algorithms, sorting and searching, ls. Yes, so it looks like maybe we should, wait, what happens if we cd code? Yeah, okay, let's also fix the sorting stuff. And then after we fix the sorting stuff, then we'll go from there. Let's see. Also, you should get how the book.json is built up so you can easily add new languages. Yeah, I was going to add new languages myself, but then you said you'd do it, so I kind of let you do it. So let's do the make directory, and I want to just make directory for bubble, bogo. Sure, those are the only two we have right now. So we're going to go ahead and move these guys there, but I need to also update the summary, Q. So let's go ahead and cd projects, algorithm archive, and let's go into the VI summary, and let's go to Bogo. Here it is. And so what I'm going to do is change this to Bogo / Bogo. Great. And then down here we need to do bubble, and this is going to be bubble / bubble. Great. Okay, so change that. And then we're going to move this. So we have to move Bogosort. I'm in the wrong directory. Dang it. Remove directory, bubble, bogo, bubble. Great. Now let's go ahead and move bubble sort into bubble. Always put the dot, and then same with bogo. Bogo sort to bogo. And now cd into bogo to get this one done, make directory code. And for now, I'm just going to go ahead and copy over the code directory from previously. So let's go ahead and move. I believe it's going to be code and then sorting.cs. Oh, you have both of them in the same CS file. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So we're going to move this to cp that to code dot. So now I'm just going to go into vi. Oh, actually, cd code, and let's make directory cs. Make directory cs. Make directory cs. There we go. Got it. And then we're going to cd into cs, and we're going to move sorting into where are we? Bogo? Yeah, bogo.cs. Just for now. So let's go into vi bogo.cs, and let's see namespace here. Sorting, bubble sort, bogo sort. So I think, now forgive me if I'm not allowed to do this, but I think I can just keep it as is, right? There's probably no reason not to keep it as is. It's probably okay. So we're going to cd dot dot, vi bogo sort.md, and I'll add the pseudocode one in a bit, but for now we'll just leave it there. And then what I want to do is change this to code dash cs bogo.cs. There we go. So this one should work. Bogo sort should be back up. Bogo sort. 1 second. Let it refresh. Bubble sort's up. BOGO. Okay, wait. Maybe it's gonna work. Come on, work. BOGO sort. C#. Boom. That's it. Ship it. We're done. CD ... bubble. Okay, ls make directory code. Make directory code cs. Move code sorting .cs to code cs dot, and then why not? We'll just leave the name the same. Let's go into vi bubble sort.md and go down here for this one real quick. So this one should be 9 through 27 C# code cs. Done. Rank quit. So let's check bubble sort to make sure that one's still working. We'll add that, and then the last thing we'll do is commit it all, push it, and then take the pull request from JSPP, make sure it works, and that will be that. So pretty excited about this. Okay, there's BOGO sort. Let's go back and check bubble sort. Pseudocode C# still seems to work just fine. Fantastic. So we're going to cd ... Git add. 1 second. What am I doing with my life? Add dot. There we go. Git status. Okay, so here's all the changes we made. I need to add the summary. So let's do git add summary. Let's see, what else do we need to do? Gramscan.md. Oh, why have those guys not been added? So let's cd. Oh, where are we? This is probably a computational mathematics, computational geometry, gift wrapping, ls, git add dot, git status. There we go. So it looks like the only things we don't have added will be the book.json, which will be updated in just a second, book ace.json, which isn't necessary mathematical background. Good. So let's do git commit -m, modifying a bunch of algorithms for language changes. Git push origin master. So this one should be updated really quick, and then we'll go ahead and take the pull request from JSPP. Okay, so pop over here, go to, I should have a new pull request, I guess, up. There we go, great. And from this, I think this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. BOGO sort tree traversal. Oh, wait a minute. Enhanced multi-language for BOGO sort. You changed some things. Okay, so let me see. What can I do in this situation? Update book.json. I didn't realize there was more to this. So sample language equals C#. Let me think. Add Julia to book.json. BOGO sort tree traversal.md. What's the problem with tree traversal? Book.json. Tree traversal. Oh, I see what you did. Okay, that's fair enough. Yeah, that's true. Okay. So let's see, what's the best way to fix this? Shoot, I'm sorry about that, JSPP. I screwed that one up big time. So what do we need to do? I think about the terrible joke. Hey, JSPP came up with that one. Sure, go ahead. If you want to check it out, that'd be great, JSPP. I think it's not so bad. I mean, we just have to change a few things. So let me see, what do we have? Multi-languages, pull request. Let's see. I'm not very good with pull requests yet, so add Julia to book.json. I think this is okay. Yep, looks good. For BOGO sort, sampling CS. Yeah, okay, I see what's happening. Okay, good. Let me get some water real quick. Don't apologize and resolve conflicts. Yell at the contributor and make them fix it. Oh man, I feel really bad. Yeah, this is my bad for, I should have merged the pull requests first and then done the changes locally instead of pushed them and then changed them. I just didn't realize that there were updates, or the updates were like this. So, let me think. How do I do this? I'm not very good with Git yet, so I'll figure this one out. the sample in new languages is intended. Okay, so for now, guys, let me think. We'll get this one updated, I think, in a bit, but I think it's okay. I think we did enough today to maybe end pretty soon. I don't know. I mean, within the next 10 minutes or so. How do I don't really know how to fix this, so I'm gonna have to just take a look at it on the side and fix it, unless JSPP wants to do it, in which case that's also fine. Let me think. So I guess what I need to do is somehow just make the appropriate edits. That's all I need to do. So we've updated something. Did you? Okay, maybe that's the best way to do it. I'm so sorry. What am I looking for? I'm looking for pull requests. Not matching. One closed. Nope, that's not the one I wanted. I want to do... I'm so sorry. One second. Algorithm archive. Pull requests. Enhanced multilaying. Okay. You can pull the pull request to branch and update it there. Yeah, I can do that. That's what I should probably do. Okay. So I'll do that on the side. I think for now I'll go ahead and close the stream. So thank you guys so much for coming in. GitHub actually shows you how to do it on the command line. Oh. Get checkout. There we go. Get pull. There we go. Checkout master. Merge. Okay. For some reason Discord just shut on my tablet. So sorry. That's okay. It is what it is. Yep. Okay. So how about we can do this, and then we'll be good to go. So I'll go ahead and do this on the side. Thank you guys so much for coming in. Have a great day, night, afternoon, morning, evening, whatever time it happens to be your time. And I will see you around next time for the next episode of Simuleos, when we do something different. But seriously, guys, thank you so much for coming in. I'm super glad that you guys are still actively watching and contributing to the discussion and contributing to the archive. It's all really great. So thanks again, and I will see you guys next time. So bye, guys.